How do you know when it's old enough that it needs to be replaced with a new one? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com and sign up for my newsletter there. Here are the 5 signs that it's time to say goodbye to your old Mac and consider a new one. Number 1, when it's no longer getting software updates. Your Mac's going to receive software updates for around 5 years, but eventually that old Mac won't be able to run the newest software. Number 2, you can't run the apps you need. Something's sluggish about them, they're slowing down, it's just getting old, and for some reason it just won't go fast enough, right? You've been there. Number 3, lack of computer memory. That can cause apps that need higher processing not to work their best, and some of these newer apps might not work at all. Number 4, if you're running out of storage space. As life goes on, we tend to add more and more stuff that takes up storage, and your older Mac may be hitting the full mark on its storage capacity. Number 5, you're running into constant problems. For example, if your battery's dying all the time on a laptop, your MacBook, and your software is glitching, it's constantly breaking down, that is a pretty big sign that it's time for something new. The new models are a huge upgrade, especially with the Apple Silicon processors. A new Mac should last you how long? Roughly 6 or 7 years, if not longer. And I get it. If you take care of your things, they're going to last. But sometimes it's just time to say goodbye and invest in a new system that's actually going to work for you. Are you getting my newsletter? Get it for free by clicking the little red button over at cyberguy.com.